Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show a simple way how you can easily buy Bitcoin in Lebanon. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you'll do it, you'll get on this site called Coinbase, and if you're going to register through the link down below in the description, you will receive $10 for free of Bitcoin. Just add first name, last name, email, password, and when you're going to do it, you will be here in Coinbase, and now you want to simply click home, view asset of Bitcoin at like, I don't know, 100 euro Bitcoin, preview the buy here, and you're gonna see Coinbase fee and purchase, and you can simply buy now, right? Then when you got it, you can see also sell the Bitcoin here, and then you go to portfolio and you can simply withdraw the money. So this is pretty much it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye.